What's up, Facebook? November the 21st on my first job of today. I'm doing a total of 8 areas. New customer, first time getting the carpets clean, but the carpets are in good shape. It's a nylon carpet. Really no spots or stains. She's getting one of the rooms ready. So this room right here is ready. We got some like some makeup here. So I got some good product I'm going to put on that to help separate it from the fibers. But you can definitely see the difference in the carpet tone from right here, just the high traffic area. You got the masters, the hallway. This room we're getting ready. This room right here. So again, the carpets are not bad, really good shape. This room right here, which she's getting ready right now, before I start pre-spraying the stairs. Move this so it doesn't get wet. Got the dining room. We do got some spots right here. These are spots, not stains. Got some spots right there. So again, guys, as you follow me through my videos, you'll understand some of the things. And it's good because a lot of my customers, like right here, that's a spot, okay? A lot of my customers are starting to notice too, when they watch my videos, what they can expect to come out and what can probably be a challenge. Because sometimes stains can be removed, but they can be a challenge. But there is a chance that they can't be removed. And then the living room. So we got some spots right here, spots right there. So, all right, guys, I'm going to give you guys some good footage of cleaning, show you guys the difference, be using my new product on this carpet, and stay tuned. Is Dion? Dion? You want to look at it? See how it's coming out? You see that? Uh-huh. You right there? All right, guys, I am done. First job of the day. Nice, beautiful day today, too. Show you guys the results as you see the cleaning. All right. Had some staining right here. Was able to get that stain out. Carpets look amazing. Great results. Got that room over there. So this was the whole house cleaning. And she just went on and added that room, so it ended up being 9 areas. So 9 areas, total of $450. Stairs. What is that? This room, a piece of paper fell. This room right here. This room right here. Hallway. This room right here. And remember that paint that was the fingernail polish came out. It came right out. So, in the masters. I did refer her to my stretching guy too. So if she wanted to get the carpet stretch, kick it back or stretch it back into the walls, especially right here in this masters and a little bit in the hallway. So they just cut a seam, stretch it, and looks great, guys. All right, Courtney Truman Steamers, time to head to job number 2. Phone is ringing like crazy because of Thanksgiving. See you guys in the next one.